Hello, my name is David Jackson. I'm going to be going over Chapter 11, Introduction to Psychological Skills Training, and bring in a few articles and key components about this chapter. Psychological skills training refers to the systematic and consistent practice of mental or psychological skills for the purpose of enhancing performance, increasing enjoyment, or achieving great sport and physical activity and self-satisfaction. The three phases of PST programs. Education. Participants realize how important skills affect performance. Acquisition. Focus on strategies and techniques. Practice. Focuses on developing skills. When can psychological skills training programs be done? They are best done over off-season or preseason, where they are time to learn new skills and athletes aren't so pressured about winning games. The purpose of this current study was to examine stage of change and gender differences in the combination of decisional balance, self-efficacy, and processes of change among NCAA Division I student athletes. The strengths and limitations of the study was first the cross-sectional nature of the study, and the second was one-time measurement to be able to be correct about the athletes. The conclusions are basically utilizing latent growth modeling to examine predictors of behavior change over time through the athletes. I could use this as an importance for athletes to consider having knowledge of psychological skills training and benefits they can get out of the program and how quickly they can achieve their goals. This study explored how sports psychologists, based upon the unique challenges of working with young athletes, adjust to the content and delivery of psychological skills training accordingly. There are a range of factors that could possibly point to psychological skills training going beyond making performance enhancement strategies the primary considerations of interventions with young athletes. Taking a spiral curriculum approach to psychological skills training could involve a young athlete basic sports psychological concepts and ideas in their early development stages, which could be revisited at a higher level. Teaching young athletes is hard to get them focused, but if you apply yourself as a respectful adult that knows exactly what they're doing, then they will learn faster and pay more attention. Psychological skills training can not only improve an athlete's mental skills and techniques, but also can improve everything about a coach as well. Anything from planning sessions to post-game talks to talks with parents. Beginning as a young coach who has known nothing but playing the game I love, I have all to learn about the game, and this starts with mental skills and everything I've acquired through the first couple years. After learning the mental aspects I need to know, I can then apply them to the athletes I want to help to get better and anybody I have coached through the years. Throughout my coaching career, I need to stay on my toes with updating every aspect of my life. Keeping on top of the new skills I learned will be important for myself and for my athletes. At the end of my coaching career, one day, I will pass everything I have learned through psychological skill training to coaches who are young and need the information to be a strong-minded coach and have the ability to teach their athletes. There are doors that open for you. Keep your mindset on what God has called you to do. If it doesn't feel right, then you aren't putting enough effort in. Work hard and always make someone better every day. Make sure you always keep your coaching to the level of your athletes. Never overcomplicate, and always make sure everyone understands throughout the time you have them.